Okay. So we need a visual of some form or fashion. So you can either go to View, you can go to Terminal, or you can do Control tilde. So I'm going to do Control tilde. And when it fires up, I'm just going to run npm start. Sorry about that. And if for some reason something else is already running on this port, which we'll see, I don't think I have anything running on this port right now. But I'll show you what that looks like. Not sure why that's delaying itself. There we go. So it opened. If I were to open another bash and do npm start again, and it's going to try to open Webpack with the same port number. This is your sign, E, adder in use. So if you do get something like that, go to the Webpack dev.js, and the port is right here. So we'll just say 3001 for now. Save that. Run npm, and there it shows you that it was 3000. We'll run npm start. And it's going to allow it to fire up. So I'm going to Control C this one because I don't need it running twice, but I just wanted to show you that. So this one's still running. So I'm going to bring this over here. Move this to the side. We'll pick up this VS Code. We'll slide this over. I'm going to inspect this one. I'm going to make sure our console is on the bottom. We go to our console and take a look at it. That's fine. We don't need any of that. We're going to start with a fresh slate. Refresh it. Good to go. Okay. That's interesting. Let me we'll just restart that. Maybe the double starting wasn't the best idea. Because I think I do have multiples of them open. That was 3001. How about we put this on 3000? There we go. That would help, wouldn't it? Okay. You're ready to start coding. That is what is on our index. You're ready to start coding. So what does this box look like, right? Well, if I just console log it right now, you're going to see we just have this thing with a map and a fold function. Should look familiar. That's our box. So how do we get something back out of the box? Well, we talked about that briefly. We need to fold it. So let's see if we only have things that are units. So we're going to do a fold. Actually, this is part of that map, so let me bring this down right here. It's a little crazy when you get all this dot fold. And we're going to use kind of like the identity function here. We're just going to say, take that array, or whatever it is it equates to, and just return it. That's our function. Oh, and TypeScript is not really happy with me right there, is it? That should be returning, let me see. You know what? missing a parenthesis there. There we go. That one goes there. That one goes there. Yep. And that one goes there, there. Okay. Cool. But TypeScript is still not happy because we got an any type. Well, you have some leeway here. So let's just say for now, this is going to be, well, it's going to be an iData array. We'll close that up. And if we take our console and put it back in there, what we will get is there's our array of item. We originally had 10. We're down to 7. These only have units in them. Now, they might have units in cases, but they definitely have to have units. This one has cases and it has units. So, we talked about not wanting our free items in here for our token. We didn't buy the free items. So let's get rid of those. So we're going to do another map. And this is going to be xIData array. And we're going to x.filter this. And this is going to be a y. But we need to type it. So we'll go y. And that's going to be a singular iData. And we're going to say y.free is not equal to... Now we could shorthand this one. Because if we use the double-double instead of the double-double-double, or the triple, then this will be okay. We could do the parse int and then have the strict equality with the equals or the not equals and get that. So if we save that and run it, we're still getting 7. So this is telling us that nobody's free. Let's go pop them up and then look. Maybe we'll change some of our data to pop one of those out. Oops. So that's not free. That's not free. That's not free. Oh, there's a 2 in there. Oh, I think we need to make the 2 a 1. Yeah, because this is true or false. Free. I don't know why I was putting 2s in there. Okay, yep. Alright, took us down to 5. There we go. Small sanity check there. Let's get rid of the returns. So we'll do another map. xIData array. x.filter. y. iData singular. y.return item is not equal to 1. So that may or may not make a difference. Probably won't. 5. Nope. Okay. So now we're down to just items that were received by units. They were not free and they were not return items. Now what we need to do is if we look at one of these items, we need to fold it. I took a little break in this video, so sorry. Let's type that X. Number. Get rid of the semicolon there. Okay, let me look at one of our things. Now we just need to add up all the units. Now give us our total units, right? So that may stem the next question they may have. Like, can all we do is map.filter and map.filter? Well, no, we have more than that. So we're usually not always start with a map because that's our function that's on the box. But we do have options, which we'll see. So that's going to be our array type. And here we're going to use the good old reduce. And we have an accumulator and we have a current. What we're going to do is we're going to take, I always like to do comma 0 first. That's our starting point. If we're adding, we start with 0. If we're subtracting, we start with whatever the highest number could potentially be. So we're going to take the accumulator and we're just going to add parse int current.units as string, make TypeScript happy, and that to give us our total number of units that we purchased. They were not free and they were not returned. So we're going to take this video and leave it here, and in the next video we'll start to work out some of these other pieces of the puzzle.